Hey guys, Rob from Ultimate Diesel Tuning. Behind me is a 2020 Toyota Prado, and it's in our performance shop on the Gold Coast for a custom dyno tune and on-car chemical soot clean. Before I go on guys, make sure you subscribe to the Ultimate Diesel Tuning YouTube channel, click the bell for notifications. We do a lot of custom dyno tuning on Toyota Prados, and this one I thought I'd do a quick video on. We've already done the on-car chemical soot clean, the inspection's been done as well, so let's get it on the dyno and talk you through the results. The owner of this Prado uses it as a daily driver. He uses it for a bit of everything, but he also tows a 3-ton van with it. So let's have a look at the results now that we've custom dyno tuned the car. When it first came into us, it had 79 kilowatts of power and 325 newton meters of torque at all 4 wheels. Remembering the Prado, when we custom dyno tune them, it's at all 4 wheels. After we finished completing the custom tune on it, it went up to 98 kilowatts of power and 415 newton meters of torque. This was an increase of 23% in peak power and 28% gain in torque. And one of the big things you'll notice with the custom tune is down low, around 2200 RPM, there is a monumental increase in torque. Well, there you go guys, another Toyota Prado custom dyno tuned by us at Ultimate Diesel Tuning. So if you have a common rail diesel or a Prado, make sure you give us a call, speak to one of our diesel experts, or drop into one of our performance centres in Brisbane, Gold Coast and Melbourne. Remember, we've got a dealer network all around Australia as well. And make sure you subscribe to Ultimate Diesel Tuning on YouTube.